Hello everyone, I am Amba, your instructor for this course. Here we learn statistics. So first of all, we should understand what is statistics. As I have written here, statistics is a branch of mathematics dealing with collection, analysis, interpretation, presentation and organization of data. So I have designed a course on statistics to help you understand the concept and various applications. This course can be taken by school or university students or anyone who has statistics as their part of curriculum. Now I will quickly tell you about the course contents. First of all, I will discuss measures of central tendency, in which we will discuss arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean, median and mode. We will discuss all the properties and applications of all these averages, and we will also discuss numerical problems, so you can understand all the concepts relating to measures of central tendency. After that, we will discuss average speed and its relation to harmonic mean, that is how average speed is related to harmonic mean. After doing all this, we will discuss some numerical problems also on average speed. After that, we will discuss partition values. So in this we will discuss first of all quartiles, then deciles and at last percentiles. So in quartiles we will go through the numerical problems and properties and applications also we will discuss here. In a similar way, we will discuss properties application of all these partition values. And after that we will discuss measures of dispersion. So basically, in which we will discuss range, then quartile, deviation, then mean deviation, and at last we will discuss standard deviation. After that we will discuss numerical problems on each measures of dispersion. So how to calculate range, quartile deviation, mean deviation, standard deviation, you can understand very well in this course. After doing all these things, we will discuss theorems related to arithmetic mean, mean deviation and standard deviation. In theorems, proof parts will be also there, so you can understand the concepts relating to all the measures of central tendency, measures of dispersion very well. Basically, this course contains videos of theoretical as well as practical part of statistics, some videos on problem solving also. At the end of the course, students will learn concepts of statistics and they will be able to solve the problems. Thank you.